Everything's done now. And the whole surface on the other side was also done. It's complete. I had to put some in there and some in there. A couple of other spots, but everything seems to be drying well. So, oh, look at that. I missed that. Bing! All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue into the cracks of the foam, and hopes that everything will stick together, right? So what we're doing is we're going to be putting a bead of glue in like we're doing right now. And then after that, we're going to be putting in another pad underneath it so that it all stays together. And here we got, look at the crack in there. That's some pretty nasty, right? That's all the way through, so. So this might seem a bit extreme here, but I'm going to try and use a strap and strap it together. I just want to make sure it holds. It says to clamp it together for a couple of hours while it dries, so let's give it a shot. I'd like to put a couple of more beads in there maybe, or what do you think? No, I think maybe we should be okay. So in theory, I believe this is nice and clamped down, and hopefully we don't have to do it again. Alright, so let's take a look and see how we did. So I let it dry for well over 24 hours. Let it rest the whole day today. So let's take a look. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's in there. The seams are tough on that, eh? Oh my goodness, check that out. That's excellent. It's not coming apart, I don't think. There's the big one right there. So we got some more glue to put in. But we know this glue works now.